Well, with temperatures around the nation dramatically dropped in recent days, Aussies are turning to their cosiest gear to keep warm.
But the more we wear our winter coats and puffer jackets, the more they need a good proper clean. So how can we avoid spending money at the dry cleaners and wash them at home instead?
To help break things down, cleaning and organising expert Anita Burgess joins us now. Good morning to you.
Good morning, how are you?
Really sorry, because you have taken my puffer jacket and you've been washing it through the morning. What have you done?
You want to have a look?
Yeah.
Have you actually seen it?
No.
Take a look at that.
Oh my God,
No.
really?
Now, first of all, let me just tell you, jackets, puffer jackets, carry the same amount of bacteria as a school bag does. Where has this been, Nat? Where?
And the interesting, let's show everyone that.
Yeah, we've seen.
Because also
Hang on,
this.
I'll try and lift this.
This is a special bucket, so I could strain the water out, because you know how much water comes in a puffy jacket?
And also, like, I've got puffers at home
Yes.
that I never wash, but this one is a sunrise one. I've only worn it on a couple of sunrise jobs, so it actually doesn't get worn much.
Sounds like you've been in, like, the bush.
Yeah.
It looks like it's...
But I never wash them. We don't wash any of ours at home.
No, you need to
I
wash
hate to
them.
think what would come out of them.
Yes, it's pretty dirty, but the main thing is after you wash them, you don't want to hang it like over a washing line. You need to lay it down flat and then chuck it in the dryer, and you can use some dryer balls or some tennis balls, and it repuffs.
It goes
Hang on, but what do? They sort of bash it up a bit, do they?
Yeah, I throw mine also in with a dry towel, to be honest with you, just to keep the movement.
Floating around.
Because it's like a quilt. It's like clumps of puff inside the jacket. So
Anita, Nat is saying she's only worn this a few times, which I take it her to be the truth. And that amount of...
Yes.
That's not the black out of the jacket. That's dirt.
That's dirt. That's
it also
and
sits
actually,
on my
I could see though at the bottom of the jacket. I could see at the bottom of the jacket, because it was a longer jacket there, kind of. I could see a lot going on down there. So you don't know it's mud.
Do you know what's been
stuff like
I bet other people have been taking.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm blaming the sunrise.
Exactly.
It's been on the back of my chair. Okay, you've got more hats.
I've got more hats.
About
okay,
layers.
Okay, we've
got to quickly whip through what else.
Quickly, I want to show you makeup. If you get makeup on your puffer jacket, easiest thing in the world is Micellar water.
Yep.
I actually did a in between the break as well. She brought one out to me,
this is also
and I've done half.
Dry hair shampoo I learnt yesterday as well.
Yeah, very good.
I learned that today as well.
We've got 1 minute, so
we've got this. So we use Micellar water.
Great.
Take straight off. Look at that though. It's come. The makeup is gone straight onto that. Sensitive, easy to do. Red wine stains on your woolens. Okay, we love a glass of red wine. You're going to get a bowl. You're going to get soda water.
Oh. Did you do that? You did that?
It doesn't matter, because we're going to keep going. But soda water is what gets red wine out. So you put the soda water...
We're all clean now, Nat. We've all had a good wash.
I'm fine. I'm fine. Are you okay?
Yeah,
I'm fine. So we're lucky we've got the towels. So, but red wine, you look after me, I'll look after the red wine.
Keep talking.
All right,
Red wine, soda water. You're going to put it in the soda water, as so. You're going to add in a bit of baking soda. Baking soda with soda water. Watch this. You thought...
Yeah.
Let me just...
No,
just give me a
so that takes it... Do you soak it?
Look at this.
Okay.
It's gone.
Stop it.
The amount of time it took you to clean the water off my face, the red wine is gone. And this has been sitting there. So soda water and baking soda together.
Soda water and baking soda.
And baking soda together.
And don't let the stain settle.
And don't shake your bottle of soda water before you open it.
Before we go, vodka.
Oh, this is the best one.
This is for when the vodka's for when the segment goes wrong.
Yeah. So over here we have these trench coats. You want to save money on dry cleaning? Vodka, pure vodka, stick it in a spray bottle. You're going.
Seriously?
I'm not joking.
Really?
This is what ballet dancers use, costume designers use, because you can't wash these things and they sweat in it all the time. Vintage jackets, spray vodka on it, leave it out to dry, not in the sun. I'm telling you, deodorizers, antibacterial, and you're done.
And you smell really good. You're amazing. Thank you so much.
This whole segment looks like a bad morning after party. You've got vodka and stains and everywhere.
And now we'll just clean it all up in the break.
Well done, Anita. Good on you. Thank you.
Thanks
for having me.
We're on Sunrise. We've got a lot still coming up. Breaking news after the break.